So now, concerning the video I did yesterday, all I'm going to say is, Wise One and Alex, I am calling the both of you in particular. Jones, I'm calling you in particular. The same way you guys were telling me, this was the last time that you guys threw me out of this house. That was what brought Joy into this house. That was what brought her into this picture. Then everybody said it's my fault because I had a bad character. It is not my character that made this boy go outside. He wanted to go outside. That is what everybody's telling me is because of my character. I feel bad because it's not my character. This person just loves going out. And me, since before he even married me, he knows me. Going out to party, all those things, it is not my thing. But instead, you decide to drag my leg outside for people to mock me. You drag me outside for people to mock me. But let me tell you something. This Alex, Wise One, any day people come to this house, if anybody come me outside for a meeting, I will not come outside to sit down. I will not come outside to sit down. Because anything that makes me come outside to sit down, anybody that says nonsense, anybody that says trash to me, that person will get it hot from me that day. So nobody, this time I'm not going to anybody face you. Nobody should come and sit down with me. You want to call me outside. You are buying joke. I should come and follow people to talk. Of life and again, name my nobody should call me to come outside because enough is enough. What I sense with these two people is anytime they want to insult me, anytime they want to trash me, anytime they want to humiliate me, they call me outside to come and sit down in the parlor and talk to them when I do not feel like. If you notice, anytime the three of us are seated down, or maybe we are seated with other people, what David will do is he would call, if they are talking to Joy, he will switch to me immediately because you are avoiding her. Because you're trying to reserve her. You're trying to make everybody feel she's a good person. And meanwhile, you're always insulting her. You expect me not to insult you. Like, who the hell does that? You expect me not to insult you. You will insult me, she would insult me. You would insult me, she would insult me. Both of you keep doing it. But still, I still decide to keep quiet and pretend like I'm not seeing anything. I still decide to keep quiet like I'm not seeing anything. What if you want to turn me to a mad person? Abby? You want to turn me to a mad person? You guys should be very careful though. Enough is enough. Just be very careful. I have had enough. It has gotten here. It's annoying. See, please. Anytime you're having meeting and it does not concern me, please don't call me. Because it's obvious both of you know how to call yourself to talk. So do not ever in your life, if you have anything to say, don't call me. The meeting should be basically for the both of you. Since obviously you guys want to talk to yourself alone, it should be for the both of you. Put me. Let me be out of it. Anytime you have a meeting, if you come back from work, please, if I cook in this house, don't eat my food. David, this is directly to you. If I cook in this house, don't eat my food. Anything that has to do with me, avoid it. Avoid it. Anything concerning me, please avoid it. Just be on your own. Let me be on my own. There's no trouble. You won't have any problem if you don't avoid me. David, if you don't avoid me, see, if you don't avoid me, I will make sure your life will be miserable. I swear to God, I will make sure that your life will be miserable. Oh, Mom, make sure you look at me. You guys are playing games with me. You are playing games with me. No, you're playing games with me. When you come into the sitting room, it is not because she wants to talk to me. It is not because she wants to have a conversation with me. It is because you both want to insult me. Not because of anything. Yesterday was what proved everything to me. When you want to insult me, when both of you want to insult me, you come into the sitting room. So when you look at, okay, what you do, it will look like you're talking to her, like you're trying to attack her. Then from there, both of you will switch to me. That is what both of you have been doing. That is what the both of you have been doing. If you call me, if I don't respond, there is wahala. If I go out of this house, there is problem. Am I a prisoner? Now tell me, am I a prisoner? It is only in my own house that my husband let a side chick have power than me. Only in this house, I'm not free. I cannot go out to have fun on my own. If I go out, you complain about one, you look for one thing to complain about. To the extent that you said I was having something with Wise One. To the extent that you even said, if possible, you have suspected me with Alex. What did I do to you? No, tell me, what did I do? The only thing I did was get married. You and I know that I had nothing to do with the ex or whatever you're calling him. You and I know perfectly well. But then all you just care about is what to make you tarnish Mary's image. The both of you pretend like you're having issues and then you're going to call me outside. So when you guys start talking, you both switch to me. When other people come, when the Caprios came, all of them came, you guys were all pushing the old allegation on me. Because of what? Because I decided to get married to you. Because I decided to love you. Because I decided to be dumb. I avoided courts, I avoided police, I avoided everything. Maybe you were going to come back. And then all you do is always insult me, drag me, do everything. Everybody's telling me it's my character. It's not my character. These two people have been lying to me. It's not my character. David, if you look at me in the eye and tell me that you are the same person that said you've never cheated on your wife since you got married to her, David, or somebody brought a pregnancy of how many months into this house. You guys are not lying. This is a business trip. Both of you have been lying. You've been playing with my head. You've been playing with my mentality. You guys want to run me mad. Both of you keep lying and lying and lying. And then when I react, people say, Mary's doing this, Mary's doing that, Mary don't get respect. I have it. I have all those people telling me I don't have respect. I do have it. I have it. I have it. Whatever anybody is doing to me is what triggers me to do whatever I do to anybody. I can't just wake up and just say, yes, I want to be rude to somebody. I just wake up and say, I want to be mad with somebody. I want to do something crazy with somebody. I can't. Or does a madman just run mad? Something made that person run mad. That madman was a normal human being. Something made them run mad. Something put them in that situation that they are. It was something. Something put them there. If it's not because somebody did it to them, is it that they post something that made them go mad, or is it something or anything shocked them? And what is it that you asked for? No, tell me, what is it that you asked for that I did not give you? Alex, this is it. Keep calm. You're not supposed to be doing this. You're not supposed to be doing that. Somebody that is frustrating me, how do you expect me not to frustrate them back? How do you expect me not to do things that is going to hurt that person, for them to feel what they are making me feel? What? I don't know. I don't understand. I do not get it. So you want your brother to continue frustrating me, and I should continue being calm. I should continue being a good wife to who doesn't see me as a good wife. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you, Alex, are telling me? Behind camera, you guys are something else. But in front of camera, you all are something else. You all behave like a snitch. And you keep me, you let me stay, and you guys continue making me feel like the bad one. Before I could destroy your chair, David, you know what you did to me. You know all the things that you guys have been doing. You're complaining that I wore nets. Did you not wear nets? Now tell me, what's your problem? What's the color of your problem? Is there somebody you made an agreement with to frustrate me? Is this somebody you made an agreement with to frustrate me? When I do something, people think it's because of what I'm doing. That's why you're behaving like that. When I do something, people feel it's because of she described this because she did that. That is why you are behaving like that. David Michelle. Michelle. I didn't. Although about me, God sees my heart. I did not do anything. So what to you compared to everything you did to me? Did I post everything online? Most things that you do, do I post online? Sometimes if I even find it hard to post on my page, I don't even want to post anything about you. I am married, but I cannot brag about my husband. I can't even post my husband 2 or 3 times a week. My husband, okay, fine. So those will be talking about me and the wise one. Okay, I have a husband. I know a lot of you are saying my closeness with wise one is too much. I have a husband, but I can't go out with my husband. I can't do anything with my husband. He hides me from people. When people even call that they want to talk to me, I can't. Because I know he will not allow it. Because anybody I go out with today, maybe I go out for business or anything, my husband will come out and say his wife is cheating. You're looking for every means to tie me down. But you're in this house. You are in this house maltreating me. You're making me feel useless. And then everybody will come out and say it's my fault. Everybody will come out and say it's my fault. Some people are saying my husband's family never accepted me, but those same family calls to talk. They try to understand what is going on, but they cannot even show their face. I told Big Mommy not to come again because the way they humiliated her the last time was so much and I could not bear it again. And then somebody comes out and say, I'm a bad wife, I have a bad attitude. I talked to my husband, I told us, please, with everything that has been going on, have I ever beat him or maybe carry him somehow to? No, I've never done that. But my husband makes me feel like a nobody. And then some people come out and say, I'm the bad one, so he's the good one. So if you're telling me, you told me last year I shouldn't have accepted. If I didn't accept her, she will still come back into this house. Those of you telling me to send divorce paper, the last time I sent the divorce paper, what happened? Everybody called me a thief. Everybody said I'm a criminal because I sent a divorce paper. Okay, you send divorce paper this time around. I don't want to fight for your property. Send divorce paper, let me go. No, you don't want to send it. What is it? Alex, where's one? David, what is it? If I bring a divorce paper, I'm a thief. Bring divorce paper, I'm a thief. What do you guys want me to do? Tell me what? Because me myself, I'm tired. What to do me? I don't know what to do again. I'm tired. So tell me, what do you want me to do? What? David, starting from today, in this house, I will cease to do anything in this house. If I cook, it is for me alone. Anything I do, it is for me. If you want to wash your clothes, tell her. You want to eat, tell her. If you need anybody to use in the night, please call her. Because to me, everything will end with me. Like I always tell you, this is my mouth. You will never use it to receive prayer. This mouth, prayer, she will never use it to receive prayer from me. I swear to God. No prayer will come out from this mouth. Because me, I'm telling you, your life will continue to be miserable. I swear to God. It will continue to be miserable until you have sense. If you decide not to have sense, you decide that you just want to frustrate me, be ready. Be ready. Anything that happens to you, carry your cross. Don't come and tell me when my wife did something, I expected her to come to me and say, baby, I'm sorry. I expected her to do this. You will then find in your life expect anything from me. It's not like you're my bad enjoy. Never in your life expect anything from me. Sure, you guys want to frustrate me. I'm coming for you.